Hello, future fifth graders. Today we are going to be learning about the polar, so put on your jackets and enjoy the show. There are many key characteristics about the polar. The temperature of the North Pole weather in the summer is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. The geography is telling you that the climate is very cold. For plants and animals, there are four types of plants that have needles. Trees are the only ones that have needles because they have lower wind resistance. The polar region can be filled with lots of producers. One of the things a flower needs is energy. Now you ask, how do flowers get energy in the polar? Arctic poppies can turn their heads toward the sun. Cool, right? The next producer is lichens. Lichens need nutrients. The funny thing is, lichens don't need soil because lichens already have shallow roots. The next producer is mosses. Mosses need nutrients. They lack the conductive tissue most plants use to transport the nutrients. The last producer is trees. Trees need nutrients. The funny thing is, there isn't any nutrients because the topsoil is frozen. The polar region is filled with lots of consumers like penguins, polar bears, harp seals. Our first consumer is a penguin. Penguins need nutrients. Penguins like to eat shrimp. The next consumer is polar bears. Polar bears need nutrients. Polar bears' favorite food is fish seals. Poor seals. Rest in peace, seals. The next consumer is a harp seal. Harp seals need shelter. The seal pups were born on a floating ice pack. There are not that many decomposers in the polar. There are only three things: earthworms, fungi, and bacteria. Earthworms need shelter like us humans. They live on a fish hook for fishing or gardening. The next decomposer is fungi. Fungi needs shelter. Fungi are almost everywhere in the air you breathe. The last decomposer is bacteria. Bacteria needs shelter. Most bacteria is found in soils. In the polar region, there's a lot of producers, consumers, and decomposers. Combine them all together, that makes a food web. Start this.